Hello crochet friends, welcome to this exciting tutorial where we'll be making a charming fish pattern. This little stuffed fish is perfect as a cute toy, a decorative piece, or even a thoughtful handmade gift. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crocheter, I've got you covered with every step. You're going to love this project, so let's get started. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more crafting fun. Ready? Let's hook it up. For round 1, we begin with a magic ring. Work 6 single crochets into the ring, then pull the tail to close it up. You'll have 6 stitches total. Fantastic start, you're already on your way to creating something adorable. Tip: if the magic ring feels tricky, practice it a few times, you'll get the hang of it. Next, for round 2, we'll increase slightly. The pattern is simple. Do 3 single crochets, then 1 increase, and repeat that once. You'll end up with 9 stitches. Great job, our fish is starting to grow. Tip: place a stitch marker at the start of the round to keep your place. For round 3, we're stepping it up. Do 2 single crochets, then 1 increase, and repeat that 3 times. You'll finish with 12 stitches. Look at you go, this is shaping up beautifully. Tip: double check your stitch count to stay on track. Moving to round 4, work 3 single crochets, then 1 increase, repeating that 3 times. You'll have 15 stitches now. You're doing awesome. Our fish is getting bigger with every round. Tip: keep your tension steady for a nice, even shape. For round 5, let's add some flair. Change to a new color, then do 4 single crochets followed by 1 increase, repeating that 3 times. You'll end with 18 stitches. Amazing work. That color switch makes it so fun. Tip: secure the old color's tail by crocheting over it to hide it neatly. Next, round 6. Switch colors again, then work 5 single crochets and 1 increase, repeating 3 times. You'll have 21 stitches. You're a crochet superstar. This fish is coming to life. Tip: make sure your increases line up for a smooth curve. For round 7, change colors once more. Do 6 single crochets, then 1 increase, repeating 3 times. That gives you 24 stitches. You're killing it. This fish is almost ready to stuff. Tip: take a quick break if your hands need it. You deserve it. Now, for rounds 8 and 9, switch colors again. Work 24 single crochets for each round. No increases here. That's 2 rounds of 24 stitches each. You're so close. These rounds give our fish its plump shape. Tip: keep your stitches even for a professional look. For round 10, it's time to close it up. Stuff your fish with filling first. Get it nice and squishy. Then fold the piece in half and single crochet across through both layers to seal it. You'll have 12 stitches across. Wow, you did it. The body is complete. Tip: use a chopstick or pencil to push stuffing into the corners. Let's add the tail. Attach your yarn at the center back of the body, counting to the 6th stitch from the edge. Here's the pattern. Chain 3, make 2 double crochets, chain 3, then slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat once more, chain 3, 2 double crochets, chain 3, and slip stitch. Finish with a slip stitch. Perfect, that tail is so playful. Tip, keep your chains loose for a fluffy, stuffed tail effect. Facile. Finally, the fins. Start with a magic ring. Inside it, chain 3, make 3 double crochets, chain 3, then slip stitch into the ring to close. Pull it tight. You've just made a lovely fin, great job. Tip, sew the fin onto the body securely with a yarn needle and make a second one if you'd like fins on both sides. And there it is, your adorable stuffed crochet fish. Doesn't it look fantastic? You've done an incredible job, and I'm so proud of you for following along. I love to see your fish, so share a photo in the comments. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit that like button and subscribe for more crochet adventures. Thanks for joining me. Happy hooking, and I'll see you next time.